Essential sentence correction for upcoming Rail and SSC stenography examination 2024-25. 1. The interviewer asked the candidate, A. To what district, B. He came from. C. No error, D. Answer, B. Replace to what by which. 2. The master did not know, A. Who of the servants, B. Broke the glass. C. No error, D. Answer, B. Replace who by which. 3. The ruling party stood, A. For implementation of the bill, B. And was ready to stake their political existence. C. No error, D. Answer, C. Replace their by its. 4. This is the boy, A. Whom I think had won, B. The gold medal in the dance competition. C. No error, D. Answer, B. Replace whom by who. 5. Wherever they go, A. Indians easily adapt to, B. Local circumstances, C. No error, D. Answer, C. Add themselves after adapt. 6. He is, A. Taller, B. Than me. C. No error, D. Answer, C. No error, D. 7. It is not easy for anyone to command, A. Respect from both one's friends as well as critics, B. As Dr. Johnson did for his integrity and honesty. C. No error, D. Answer, B. Add once before critics. 8. Mahatma Gandhi taught us, A. That one should respect, B. The religions of others, C. As much as his own. D. No error, E. Answer, D. Replace his by once. 9. He, you and I, A. Will manage, B. This problem together. C. No error, D. Answer, the correct form is you, he and I. 10. Was it him, A. Who got injured, B. In an accident this morning? C. No error, D. Answer, A. Replace him by he. 11. I suppose, A. You have heard the latest news, B. John has married that girl. C. No error, D. Answer, A. Add that after suppose. 12. As soon as he, A. Saw his mother, B. He ran to her, C. And embraced. D. No error, E. Answer, D. Add her after embraced. 13. Due to me being a newcomer, A. I was unable to get a house, B. Suitable for my wife and me. C. No error, D. Answer, A. Replace me by my. 14. The audience, A. Are requested, B. To be in its seats. C. No error, D. Answer, C. Replace its by their. 15. The scientist must follow, A. His hunches and his data, B. Wherever it may lead. C. No error, D. Answer, C. Replace it by they. 16. He is the general, A. Whom the reporters agree, B. Was most popular with the troops. C. No error, D. Answer, B. Replace whom by who. 17. There is no question, A. Of my failing, B. In the examination. C. No error, D. Answer, B. Replace my by me. 18. The number of vehicles, A. Plying on this road, B. Is more than on the main road. C. No error, D. Answer, C. Add that after than. 19. Being a destitute, A. I admitted him, B. To an old people's home, C. No error, D. Answer, A. Add he before being. 20. This is not the A. sense which, B. Concerns us. Here. C. No error, D. Answer, B. Replace which by that. 21. One should make A. His best efforts, B. If one wishes to achieve C. Success in this organization. D. No error, E. Answer, B. Replace his by one's. 22. May I, A. Know who you want, B. To see please. C. No error, D. Answer, B. Replace who by whom. 23. R is the only A. Country in the world, B. Than can boast of, C. Unity in diversity. D. No error, E. Answer, B. Replace R by ours. 24. Last summer, he went A. To his uncle's village, B. And enjoyed very much. C. No error, D. Answer, C. Add himself after enjoyed. 25. If I were him, A. I would have taught, B. Those cheats a lesson. C. No error, D. Answer, A. Replace him by he. 26. Those sort of people, A. Usually do not, B. Earn fame in society. C. No error, D. Answer, A. Replace those by that. 27. He could not plan his strategy, A. Until he knew, B. Whom his opponents could be. C. No error, D. Answer, C. Replace whom by who. 28. Being a very, A. Hot day I, B. Remained indoors. C. No error, D. Answer, A. Add it before being. 29. Concurrent with this program, A. Educational institutions may be urged, B. To inculcate patriotism, C. In each and every one of its pupils. D. No error, E. Answer, D. Replace its by their. 30. In spite of the doctor's stern warning, A. He continued taking 6 sugar in his tea. C. No error, D. Answer, C. Remove his. 31. Had I come, A. To know about, B. His difficulties, C. I would have certainly helped. D. No error, E. Answer, D. Add him after helped. 32. One of them, A. Forget to take their bag, B. From the school. C. No error, D. Answer, B. Replace their by his. 33. Mr. Sunil Pawar, our representative, A. He will attend the meeting, B. On our behalf. C. No error, D. Answer, B. Remove he. 34. Being a destitute, A. I admitted him, B. To an old people's home. C. No error, D. Answer, A. Add he before being. 35. If the teacher is good, A. The students, B. Will respond, C. Positively to them. D. No error, E. Answer, D. Replace them by him. 36. Just before the race, A. I asked him, B. Whom he thought, C. Was going to win. D. No error, E. Answer, C. Replace whom by who. 37. It is not difficult to believe that a man, A. Who has lived in this city for a long time, B. He will never feel at home anywhere else in the world. C. No error, D. Answer, C. Remove he. 38. Each girl was, A. Given a bunch of flowers, B. Which pleased her very much. C. No error, D. Answer, C. Replace her by them. 39. The party chief made it a point to state that, A. The Prime Minister and the Union Home Minister should also come, B. And they see what his party men had seen. C. No error, D. Answer, C. Remove they. 40. I going there, A. Will not solve, 6. This complicated problem. C. No error, D. Answer, A. Replace I by my. 41. As it was Rajan's, A. First interview he dressed him, B. 7 in his most, C. Formal suit. D. No error, E. Answer, B. Replace him by himself. 42. Whatever work, A. That which you undertake, B. Put your best efforts, C. In it. D. No error, E. Answer, B. Remove that which. 43. The Superintendent of Police has announced that those who are found guilty of breach of peace, A. Or of taking the law into their own hands, B. They will be taken to task. C. No error, D. Answer, C. Remove they. 44. Myself and Gopalan, A. Will take care of, B. The function on Sunday. C. No error, D. Answer, A. Replace myself and Gopalan by Gopalan and I.